In this video, I'm going to show you possibly the best way to make money online in 2020. Here on the screen, you can see I'm logged into just one of my affiliate accounts, and you can see that I've just made a sale today. Here at the top, it says May the 2nd, 2020, sale 65 AUD. And then you can see all of these other sales that I have made in the past couple of weeks. You can see that I'm making a sale in this account every few days, every couple of days, for a total amount of 130 Australian dollars. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start doing something very similar. So first of all, let's break it down and let me show you how I'm making all of these sales. How do people find the information that I recommend? How do they make the purchase? How do I actually get paid? Well, this all works based on me creating very simple tutorials. So many people every day jump onto YouTube and start looking for different information, different tutorials, different ways for how to do certain things. And as an example, one of the things that they search for is how to make a WordPress website. You can see now all of these suggestions are coming up. So actually I've put a double space. So how to make a WordPress website, and you can see that they are searching for various things like how to make a WordPress website 2020 in 24 easy steps. But also if you put in FA, you'll see that some of them are searching for how to make a WordPress website fast. And people who type that in and they search for that phrase, they'll see a lot of tutorials on how to make a WordPress website. And one of the tutorials that actually comes up there on page 1 is mine. You can see here it says Caffeinated Blogger. It has only had 4.3 thousand views. The thumbnail is not even so good. I actually kind of didn't really do a very good job with this thumbnail. I think my photo there looks weird. But nonetheless, this tutorial is actually bringing me a ton of sales, even though it's only had 4,000 views, which is not a lot. I uploaded it almost 9 months ago. Now, when people see this and they watch this tutorial actually shows them how to actually set up a WordPress website. There's nothing kind of complicated about it, but you will notice that one of the things that I've done here is I've put in this click to follow along here, and I've given them a special link through which they can sign up for SiteGround hosting. Now, anyone who wants to start a WordPress website, they need to have a hosting account. And that hosting account allows them to have a blog. And so many people at the moment, especially given the situation that all of us are in, are looking to start their own websites, build their own website, maybe build it for customers or build it for themselves. And in order to start a website, they need what is called a hosting account. So in this video, what I do is throughout the video, you'll notice that I recommend for people to register a domain and then to sign up for a hosting company. And hosting companies, actually, pretty much all hosting companies have got what's called affiliate programs. I personally use SiteGround hosting, and that's the hosting company that I recommend within this video. And they have got affiliate program. You can see I'm on the affiliate page here. So essentially, if you sign up with SiteGround and you you grab a special link that SiteGround give you, and someone signs up via your link, you get a referral commission. You can see that if you make over 10 sales a month, between 11 and 20, then you get over $100 per sale. If you make over 21 sales, they actually give you what's called a custom commission. They will increase your commission amount if you bring them more volume and more sales. That's, pretty awesome. I'm in the, in my tier, I get paid over $130 per sale, and sometimes even $165 per sale in some months. Same with Bluehost affiliate program. Bluehost is another hosting company. So you could, in theory, if you wanted to follow this method, you could actually sign up with Bluehost affiliate program as well. And they also pay out $65 for each qualified sign-up. But again, if you bring in more sales, then they will bump up your commission per sale as well. And then what I do here is I'm showing people how to essentially how to do everything within the SiteGround account, so that anyone who wants to set up a website following my tutorial, they kind of feel like they might as well use SiteGround, because I'm showing them how to work in SiteGround. So they'll scroll under here and they will actually click this link at the bottom, and that link will take them See, for example, here it says click here to get SiteGround hosting. If they click that, it'll take them via my link to sign up for SiteGround, and then once they sign up for just $4.95 or any of these plans, I get paid a commission. So this is what you can see here in my screen. You can even see there is sort of this thing here called campaign, and it says campaign make website 190806, make website 190806, make website 190806. So I've actually made thousands of dollars from commissions just from this one video. 190806 is 8th of August 2019. Well, that was 9th of August 2019 in Australian time when I posted this video. So this is I track each of the sales sources separately, and this one video that has only had 4,400 views, which is not a lot, has made me thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions, guys. I mean, this is pretty crazy. That's the power of what I want to show you. And in the sort of the second part of the video, hopefully the whole concept now makes sense for you. In the second part of the video, I'm actually going to show you step by step how you can implement the same. Now, just to give you an idea, if you're wondering how far can you scale this, you can scale this absolutely to thousands, maybe even tens of thousands of dollars a month. The potential is there. You can see how many sales I've made with just one video that only had 4.3 thousand views. Now, I make a lot of money on a lot of affiliate programs in similar ways that are not related to SiteGround hosting. You know, I'm doing a bunch of other stuff. But if you just wanted to focus on WordPress tutorials and show people how to build their websites, how to do all of that, you can see this video here, okay, has had 115,000 views. And this person, Ferdy, is actually doing the exact same thing. He's recommending for people to sign up via his link, to follow his tutorials. So from 4,000 views, I made dozens of sales. And you can see you can imagine how many sales he's made from 115,000 views from just this one video. So the potential is huge. The potential is absolutely there. Okay, so if you wanted to do something similar, then essentially you can start a YouTube channel where you share various tutorials related to building websites, building WordPress sites, speeding up websites, and in those videos recommend resources which people can buy as they're following your videos and then make commissions that way. So as an example, let's take a look at this person's channel, Ferdy. So, and there are lots and lots of these kind of channels on YouTube that you can find yourselves as well. But basically you can see that he makes lots of tutorials such as Divi scroll effects tutorials. So Divi is a WordPress theme, and then he will just, a lot of people will be searching for that Divi scroll effects, how to make Divi scroll effects. So you can get some of the ideas from channels like this, or of course not just Ferdy's channel. You can look at other people's channels. WP Crafter, this person has got an awesome channel as well. You can see he's getting a lot of views. And you can check out what kind of videos these people are making. They'll give you some of the ideas on what is popular. So you can go in and you can sort the videos by popularity just to see how many views these videos are getting. So you can see that, for example, a video about how to add an SSL certificate has had 250,000 views. I mean, that is pretty crazy. You can also pretty easily search what is actually popular and what is being searched for on YouTube by using the search bar. So if you wanted to check what kind of videos you can make about WordPress tutorials or how to build a blog, how to build a WordPress site, then you can put in a couple of keywords into the search bar, and YouTube will actually tell you what kind of things people search for. I'm going to show you a little trick. You can type in WordPress website and you will see that YouTube auto-completes this for you, so you can see that people search for WordPress website tutorial, WordPress website from scratch, WordPress website 2020. So each of these keywords is a separate idea for a YouTube video. So you can make a video about WordPress website tutorial, WordPress website Elementor, WordPress website with free theme, and so on. To take it to the next level, you can start typing in WordPress website A, and that'll show you all of the things that people search for that start with WordPress website A. So AdSense approval, admin panel, then you can go B, then you can go C, then you can go D. WordPress website design step by step, for example. I bet not a lot of people have made a video about WordPress website design step by step. So you can see YouTube is showing up some other videos that are not really about WordPress website design step by step. So if you can make a video on this topic, then you will have a very good chance of ranking on page 1. Now, to take it to the next level, you can also put your cursor before WordPress website, put a space, and then once again go to the very start and then put an underscore. So effectively you've got underscore space and then WordPress website, and this is going to bring up everything that it's kind of like a wildcard that you put at the front of the keyword. So now you can see that you've got how to make a WordPress website, how to back up a WordPress website, free WordPress website, how to edit WordPress website. Once again, these are all different ideas for YouTube videos that you can make. And probably there are not a lot of videos on this topic just yet. So if you make a video on this topic, then once again, you will be quite likely to rank on page 1 in search results on YouTube, and you will be quite likely to start getting views. And as you saw, you don't really need to get a lot of views because a lot of your sales will come in from affiliate commissions when people use the resource or buy a resource that you recommend within the video. So you're not banking on getting hundreds of thousands of views. You don't need hundreds of thousands of views, as you saw, to actually make good money with this method. Now, some of you might be wondering, well, what do you do if you don't know how to make a WordPress website? And fortunately or unfortunately, the answer is you learn it. So it's not that complicated. You just need to do this once or twice for yourself to build a WordPress website, and you will be an expert by then. And then you can actually record videos showing others how to do this. So, a lot of people, and myself included, often when we make videos or we create content, we actually learn how to do something first, and then we show on video how to do it. And then we upload a video explaining how this is done for others to find us with the content. All right, now you know how to find keywords on which to make videos. Now let me show you how to actually create a video. So what do you do? What kind of programs do you use to actually create a video? Well, there aren't very many, luckily, that you need, and they're actually free. So the first program that I want to tell you about is called OBS, Open Broadcaster Software. So using this software, it's a free, completely free open source. You can download it and you can record your screen, and you can also record yourself on camera so that you kind of like speaking on camera with yourself in the corner. That's one program that you can use to do this. So you can just record all the footage through your microphone, and then you'll sort of have that recording. The second thing that you can do to actually edit that footage afterwards and cut out all the bad bits is a program called HitFilm Express. So if you type in HitFilm Express, just download the free version of HitFilm Express. You don't need the pro version, just the free version. It doesn't have any limitations. You can do all of the basic editing that you need using the free version of HitFilm Express. So just download that and you will be able to cut out any of the bad bits from your video. For example, if you make mistakes or if you were humming and ahhing and all that sort of stuff, you can cut it out from the video using HitFilm Express, and then you can produce the final MP4 file. So how do you actually make money from this once you've got the tutorial ready and uploaded? Well, let's take a look at how I do it and also how others do it. So for example, this video that has had 115,000 views, if you click on this video and watch the video, then Ferdy in this video tells others to go in and click the link in the description of his video to access the resources. And here, one of the links from the description says get a domain and web hosting, and it's got this link. So if you click that link, you will go to a page that looks like this, and this page just literally has one link saying click here to go to SiteGround. So if you go to SiteGround, then you will be able to buy the SiteGround hosting plan that Ferdy recommends, and of course Ferdy will get paid a commission. All right, I'm doing something very, very similar for this website, how to make a WordPress website fast. You can see I'm ranking there. And if you click on my video, I'm basically doing a very, very similar thing. I'm also saying click to follow along. And then I've got a little resource page here that says click to search and register your domain. So this links out to Namecheap. I also get paid commissions when anyone buys a domain name. And then says get a hosting account. So if you click on that, once again, it'll open SiteGround via my affiliate link. And anytime someone signs up, I get paid an amount of money. Now, as you have seen, the opportunity is huge. You can make dozens and dozens of videos just on this WordPress website, how to make a WordPress website, how to back up WordPress website. When you make a video about how to back up WordPress website, you can actually talk about plugins or some services that do this for the user. And once again, when somebody buys via your link, you're able to make a commission. Then after you've run out of the ideas, or look at this one, how to speed up WordPress website. Here you can promote plugins and various services that help people speed up WordPress websites. Once again, many of them sell for $50, $100, and you can make a 50% commission on those as well. After you've done that, you can start looking at things like build a blog. All right, so once again, we do the same. Put this at the start, and it says how to build a blog. How to build a blog on WordPress, how to build a blog website with WordPress, how to build a blog with Elementor. Once again, there are dozens and dozens of ideas that you can do about how to build a blog. And then you can start researching other keywords. You can make videos about things that are related to building a blog, building a website, speeding up a website. So essentially you can grow a channel that is similar to these other channels that you've seen, like Ferdy's channel and wbcrafted.com channel, that eventually will get thousands of views a day, tens of thousands of views a day. Really, the sky's the limit, because YouTube is a huge discovery platform. So many people are on YouTube all the time searching for different solutions to different problems. And if you upload these free tutorials there, a lot of people will actually end up buying through your link. As you have seen, with just 4.3 thousand views, I am making a sale from this video. I make several sales a month. Sometimes it's like 3 or 4 sales a month. Sometimes I make 7 or 8 sales a month just from this one video. So it's a really good way to make commissions passively. Once you've uploaded that video, it's going to get views and it's going to be making sales for you 24/7. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then please click the subscribe button just below this video and tick the bell notification icon so you can get notified about my next video as soon as it's uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Kononenko. You might also know me as the Caffeinated Blogger. I'll see you in the next video.